Exploring the aftermath of a sun explosion. A sudden explosion of the sun would dramatically alter Earth's climate and temperature, plunging the planet into an immediate and catastrophic freeze, making survival nearly impossible for most life forms. The solar system's gravitational balance would be disrupted, causing planets to drift unpredictably without the sun's stabilizing force, potentially leading to collisions and the ejection of celestial bodies into space. Human civilization and society would face unprecedented challenges, with infrastructure collapsing, governments struggling to maintain order, and communities needing to adapt rapidly to an unrecognizable and hostile environment. Survival strategies for humanity would include seeking refuge underground or in specially designed shelters, stockpiling resources, and relying on advanced technology to create sustainable living conditions in an otherwise inhospitable world. Earth's ecosystems and wildlife would face mass extinction, as the sudden loss of sunlight and heat would collapse food chains and disrupt delicate ecological balances, leaving few species able to adapt. An explosion of the sun would be a cataclysmic event observed from Earth with unprecedented intensity. The sky would be ablaze with light, followed by darkness as the sun's remnants disperse. Space agencies would play a critical role in monitoring the sun, providing real-time data and analysis. They would issue warnings and coordinate global efforts to mitigate the disaster's impact on Earth. Global communication and technology would face immediate disruption. Satellites would malfunction, and power grids could collapse. The loss would thrust humanity into a technological dark age, complicating recovery efforts. A solar explosion could trigger a mass extinction event, wiping out countless species. The sudden change in climate and radiation levels would devastate ecosystems, leaving only the most resilient life forms. The global scientific community would react with urgency and collaboration. Researchers would strive to understand the explosion's cause, effects, and potential preventive measures, fostering unprecedented international cooperation in the face of shared peril. Historical and mythological interpretations of a solar explosion often revolve around apocalyptic visions and divine retribution. Ancient civilizations viewed celestial events as omens, linking them to God's anger or monumental change. Theoretical physics behind a sun explosion explores the critical role of nuclear fusion. Scientists examine how hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing energy. Instabilities or disruptions in this process could hypothetically trigger catastrophic outcomes. Potential changes in the solar system's structure would be profound. An exploding sun could obliterate nearby planets, significantly altering gravitational forces. This could lead to chaotic orbits and potential planetary collisions. Other planets in the solar system would suffer immensely. The intense heat and radiation from an exploding sun could strip atmospheres, render surfaces uninhabitable, and potentially shatter smaller celestial bodies through immense shock waves. The role of nuclear fusion in the sun's explosion is pivotal. Fusion reactions power the sun, and any imbalance or runaway reaction could cause an explosive release of energy, with catastrophic consequences for the solar system. Scientists constantly monitor the sun for anomalies that might indicate an impending explosion. Sudden changes in solar activity, such as unusual sunspot patterns or unexpected solar flares, could serve as early warning signs. The sun's explosion would have catastrophic effects on Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. The resulting shockwave could strip away the atmosphere, leaving the planet vulnerable to harmful cosmic radiation and drastic climate changes. In the context of space exploration, a solar explosion would pose a significant threat to ongoing missions. Spacecraft and satellites could be damaged or destroyed, hindering humanity's ability to venture beyond Earth's orbit. The psychological impact on the global population would be immense. The realization of an impending solar catastrophe could lead to widespread panic, anxiety, and a profound sense of helplessness, challenging societal stability. Comparing a potential sun explosion with other stellar explosions in the universe highlights the unique vulnerabilities of our solar system. Supernovae and gamma-ray bursts offer insights into the destructive power such cosmic events can unleash.